Hello guys, welcome to Codenzyme. In this playlist, we are going to discuss all the introductory problems of the CSS problem set. And this is the first video. We are going to discuss this problem known as weird algorithm. Let's read the problem statement. Consider an algorithm that takes as an input a positive integer n. If n is even, the algorithm divides it by 2. If n is odd, the algorithm multiplies it by 3 and adds 1. The algorithm repeats itself until n is 1. For example, the sequence for n equal to 3 is given and there are no prerequisites to solve this problem. So I don't think there should be any problem in. Oh, I'm repeating that word problem so many times. I don't think there should be any problem in solving this problem. uh, the only thing that could go wrong is when you forget to take long for int instead of for your data type. If you are using C++, else everything should work fine. So feel free to pause the video while I give you a couple of seconds to solve this problem. So those who are able to do it, congratulations. And those who are not able to do it, it is not a very big deal. You can code along with me. So let's code. The only input that I have to take is the n. So let's initialize it. And I will take that as an input. And while n is not equal to 1, if n is odd, I have to multiply it by 3 and add 1. If it is even, then I have to simply divide it by 2. For those who don't understand this, I am just checking if the last bit of n is 1. If it is 1, then it is odd, right? And this step, what it does is it deletes the last bit. What it basically does is it divides the n by 2. And next I'm going to print the answer. So first I have to print n and leave a space, and next I have to print n here and leave a space. Let's see if it works, and let's make a submission now. Okay, and we can see that our solution is accepted. Let's move on to the next problem in next video. Thank you.